This presentation addresses learning with emerging technologies, theory and practice, and considers the way we will work within this course. Working today in a technology-mediated world is changing the way we know, learn, interact, and even consider expertise. This is a true revolution. In this course, you will use emerging technologies, beginning to consider them for your own intended users. You'll be doing, observing, and reflecting on your own practice as you review the theories behind how to make productive use of these tools for learning. Let's consider the many different learners that can be networked through emerging technologies. You can start with corporate think tanks, or training scenarios, students and international communities, even customers coming to a purchasing website. And whether they are working from a desktop, a laptop in the field, or a mobile device, they will all be called learners within this course. Throughout the course, you will be using your work area to create a custom learning environment. Within the course, you will develop a practice around your specific needs. However, you could work on a project with the instructor if you prefer, but you will also be developing secondary interests from your work with others. You will be creating as you learn, ensuring more success in your future practice. In a telescopic way, course tools integrate and illustrate the learning theories. You will also be learning and sharing with colleagues, and you will be distributing badges from the peer reviews that you do of each other's work. You will be gaining practical, common-sense troubleshooting experiences too, as you learn how to deal with permissions, getting the right emails, and finding ways to integrate your work with others. The course will follow a logical progression as you think about the theories and practices in E-mediated learning. However, ultimately your actual creation of a learning environment will be much more holistic and integrated. Over the semester, you will learn by doing and observing, and you might even win local acclaim from your peer reviewers. On an important note, although you're creating a learning environment, there is a larger system within which the learning environment itself operates. And in later courses, you're going to be looking more deeply at how the learner is assessed and how the program itself is assessed. By the end of the course, you will have a broad understanding of emerging technologies and the research foundations for the theories that make them work. You will also have exercised learning within your own particular area and have reflected on what you've learned. And you'll have an awareness of themes that you'll be able to follow through in later Mallet courses. But you will still need to work more on assessment and evaluation to really have created a complete learning environment.